Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm starting up with another playlist onto my YouTube that is related to the Excel. Okay, so as you know that as part of data analyst or you are being to any kind of data role, anytime you will face some or you need to work on some formulas and some functions from the Excel. So, okay, so here the initiative would be like, let's take some functions or some functionality from the Excel which will help you in the job role and which could help in certain way to your job role. So something like that, it will be helpful, right? So on that series, the first topic which I want to discuss today is called a concept called spilled array. Okay, in Excel, that's called spilled array. Okay, let's understand very basic Excel table. I have a student name, their birth of year, where on which year they born. Then there are some 3 marks are available: math, science, and computers and all. Okay, so basically the objective behind is that I want to get the total marks. So let's check total. So basically, normally how you will do it, either you can put a sum function equals to, or you can take this plus this plus this, right? So it will just make a sum of this, and when you click on this autofill, it will just fill it out. There is no harm on that, but there is a separate way, better way, modernized way to achieve this problem. Okay, so let's see how to do that. And one more shortcut will be like, suppose this header, I want to put the same header into one more column, then you need to press Ctrl R. Okay, so that the same header will come up there. So Ctrl R. Okay, so now in this case we will go with this spilled array formula. How we will do it? Let's do it. So equals to, select everything from here plus select everything from here plus select everything from here. Done. But here if you see, at one go you are getting total for all the rows, and it is a single formula. If you see, each row is another different formulas we have in case of the general way, but when we go for the spilled array, this is the formula, but here this will be disabled, we can't do changes in it. So the spilled array will give you a single output. Okay, so this is the one, this is the first way. Next, take an example. Another example in this case is age. Okay, so normally age, how you will calculate, like search the current year minus the current the year of birth for the each student, right? So equals to, this will be the 24, and this needs to be constant, means absolute. There is a two referencing in Excel, right? So whether that will be a constant, because 2024 minus everything, so that should be constant. That's the absolute reference. So in this case, what I need to do, I need to lock everything. Okay, we can press F4. So $B and $1. So both needs to be locked here, so that I will get a constant figure for this minus this, right? Before enter, this is 34. Now I can say, if I expand it, I will get the actual age here, right? But here the main problem is this: we need to be consider like whether I need to lock a row, whether I need to lock column, everything I need to decide. Sometimes it makes some confusion here. Okay, so what is the best use for this? Let's do that again. So let's Control R. This time we will take the spilled array formula. Okay, so what I will do, B1, no need to reference, there is no absolute reference, there is no relative reference, nothing needs to be done it. B1 minus this much, complete cell. See the same output you are getting, but in a modernized way, in a different way. No need to remember all the absolute difference or all these things, right? Let's go to the another example here, which will be very much helpful on this one. Let's go to sheet number 3. So if you say, have suppose some amounts are there, and there is a 10%, 15%, and 20% is there. So suppose I want to calculate what is the 10%, what is the 15%, what is the 20% for the each amount, right? I can do that. Still through the absolute and the relative reference, I can still do that. How I will do it? So here, if I select the first one, so here what is A is remains constant, means column remains constant. When I go to the next one, it will be 3, it will be 4. In the sense, my row number is changing. So I need to A should be constant. So I need to put $A2. Okay. Then into. Here I am selecting this. So here what is changing? B, C will change. 1 will remain same. The row number will remain same. So I will say this is B $1. Enter. Okay. This is 10%. Expand it row wise and expand it column wise. You'll get it. But here the main thing is, if you are somehow not able to understand what exactly dollar, where you need to put it, all these things, then your life will be difficult. Okay. So what should I do for that? Let me just delete everything. Best way to do that in this case is, again the spilled array will helpful here. So equals to, I will take complete this into complete this. Done. When one go, you will get all the outputs. No need to understand which one needs to be constant, which one needs to be absolute, which one needs to be delivered, all these things, right? So this will be very much helpful. Okay. Let's take another example, last example here. So here now data is on a horizontal basis. If you see, there are 3 products, okay, and there are different dates are available. Under the different dates, we have the some sales happen, right? So I want to sum this product wise. Each date I want to just sum this up, correct? So what should I do? Equals to select everything plus select everything plus select everything plus select everything. Enter. It is going. We have done a wrong thing here. What is the wrong thing we have done? Let me explain. So we need to select. That is the one more trick. Always you should do it. Okay. So we should to select. Now we need to select horizontally. Okay. So that's what intentionally I did it. So this one plus this one plus this one. Enter. If you see here, automatically all the datas will be totaling. Automatically this is total, this is the total, this is the total, this is the total we are getting. No need to go for individual selection and everything. Now till here it is okay. Now let's go to a discount and how it will be helpful. I can assure you that the spilled array will be definitely helpful. So on the total, I want to have a discount of 10%. Okay, total is what? Total is already this one, and this is an spilled array, right? And I can reuse the spilled array also. Let's see that. So equals to, if I select this one, no, if you see B6, right, and if you put a pound symbol, automatically that complete spilled array will be get selected. So cell, then pound symbol. So what will happen? Whatever the formula it contains in that total sales will be applicable now as a spilled array. So it is spilled array, but you are reusing the formula now into this 10%. That's it, done. So if you see, automatically you are getting the amount, this 10%, and you can just change this. So you should get the amount only, na, B6 minus, okay, so that you will get the amount. So this much is the, after the discount I am getting this amount. If you see, very much helpful to sell with a pound symbol, so that you can reuse the spilled array. Okay. So these are the 3 examples I have given, which will be helpful in your day-to-day life to compare everything. It will be helpful when you are exporting something from Power BI as well, and you want to compare something in Excel. This is one of the scenario we will need to do as a data analyst. Okay. So hope you like this video, and I will post so much videos on this Excel playlist as well. And there are new playlists and there are new videos are coming up in this channel. So do subscribe and like button, so that it will be a booster for me to encourage me to like put all the videos, the new videos. Thank you and have a nice day.